guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good. I am also good by the grace of God. So guys, I am back with the new video, back with the new lesson guys. Still, today is the new day guys, and I have to learn a lot of things. I can learn a lot of things guys, because today is the new sun, today is the new day, new opportunities of learning. So guys, what I am going to learn here, see guys, this is the washing machine and it is open the lock. I mean to say that clothes are already washed in it. Now I have to open it guys. I will say that press open. There is a safety lock, so I have to just press it and so that I can open it easily, because before I heard the sound of clicking guys, it's mean that washing machine is already washed the clothes. So guys, I have to unload the washing machine. When I have to pick all the clothes out from the machine, that time I can say that I am unloading the washing machine. This is front loading machine guys, this is not top loading. So here I am picking or I am unloading all the clothes from the machine. So guys, after that I am going to hang on all the clothes over there on the wire. See here we have a lot of cloth pins. So I am going to hang these clothes here on the wire. I hung the clothes over there on the wire to dry. Even I have placed the cloth pens. Just have a look guys. This is just for the safety, so that cloth will not fall on the floor. Guys, by the movement of the clothes we can get to know that gentle breeze is blowing guys. See, our clothes are moving backward and forward. Just have a look guys, left, right, backward, forward. Is because of the gentle breeze. So guys, I must say that keep learning, keep growing, because without learning we cannot grow, and if we have to grow we will have to continue the learning process, otherwise there is no other solution. Before going deeper dive into the video guys, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Wasim. I am from Pakistan. Currently I am living in Dubai to earn bread and butter for my family guys. I have started speaking from the beginning guys. I am a beginner, so I am facing the same problem as every beginner does. So guys, this is a chair and it's kept on the rooftop in front of the sunlight. What I just need to convey guys, what I need to learn out of it. See guys, when I sit on the chair, what does it mean guys? What you can say that I am sitting on the chair or in the chair. Which one is correct guys? We have two prepositions, or on or in. Which one is correct guys? Which one we can use it? So guys, before I didn't know about this, I came to know, I learned about this thing. So that's what I am just going to share it with you. For the better elaboration guys, I stood up from the chair so that I can explain the things. Guys, this chair has two arms, this arm and that arm, and backrest also, and one seat. When we sit on this kind of chair where we have place to rest our arm, we can say that I am sitting in the chair. See guys, I can rest my arm here. Just have a look, so that I can say that I am sitting on the chair. Sorry, I am sitting in the chair, not on the chair. I don't have other chair to show the example, but still I can see a stool over there. Just let me go and grab the stool from over there, so that we can also learn something from out of it. Hello guys, I brought this tool from over there to here just for the learning purpose. This tool is very dusty guys. I can say that we don't use it, so that's what it is dusty. I can say that stool is dusty. Sorry, entire place of stool is dusty. So we have to learn something out of it. No problem guys. We can see that I cannot sit on the stool because stool is very dusty, because my clothes will be dirty. So guys, when we sit on this kind of stool or this type of chair, we can say that I am sitting on the stool, on the chair, because it has no armrest, nothing is over there. So that's what we can say that I am sitting on the stool. We cannot say that I am sitting in the stool. Still, I just wanted to record the video. I wanted to learn something, and there are a lot of things. First of all, it is a courageous thing to speak in front of the camera, because it seems very easy when you think to speak in front of the camera, when you think to speak in front of someone, so it seems very easy. But when it's come to speaking, when it's come to articulate your thought, at that time we go blank, we get stuck, you know, our armpits start producing the sweat. But what to do, guys? You know, when we gather all the courage, and that time we can speak, we can do something. If we give up, then there is no chance to do something in our life. So guys, I have to go back on the duty. I have to continue this video in the evening. So guys, till then, take care guys. I will continue the same video in the evening. Hello guys, I am back again in the video. I am going to start where I left, you know, on the break time, because I had nothing that much time, so that's what, you know, I had to go on the duty. But I can say that I have wrapped up my duty for today, and after that I came in the room, I removed my uniform, I put on the normal clothes, and after that I was starving, I must say, and you know, I had my dinner already. And then after that, you know, as soon as I had my dinner, then I was thinking that I am not going to do anything. I must say that I become a victim of procrastination. I can say that as soon as I had my dinner, after that I felt lethargic. But you know guys, it is very mandatory, because if I don't do anything for myself, then who else will do it for me? Because every day I have made this promise with myself that I have to record no matter what, guys. As I was thinking today that I am not going to do anything, guys. So whose loss is this? Definitely it's my loss. Then in the end I realized that I have to do it, because you know, until or unless I speak it out, there is no other solution to become fluent in this language. So that's what, you know, I am here appeared in front of the camera. So guys, I wanted to record the video outside, I must say, but it is very dark. Just have a look guys, it is totally dark, so you know, I cannot turn on the camera light because I have to record the video 0.5. so when I try to turn on the light on 0.5, so it shows me that you cannot turn on the lights. So that's what, you know, I am recording the video in the washroom. No problem guys, it is nothing. Whenever you have to do something, whenever you want to do something, and whenever you take a step and you stay consistent with your words that you have to do something for yourself, so at that time, no matter whether it's dark or light, you have to do it. That's what I am also doing. So guys, actually I am on the rooftop, and I put on the mic. As you can see that I have already put on the mic. The reason is, guys, actually there are a lot of background noises, so I just want to you know, make them less in the video. Otherwise, reluctantly guys, I cannot do anything to control over the voices, but this is the precautionary step guys, so that's what, you know, I put on the mic. So guys, you know, it is really difficult process to record the video. I'm telling you truth guys, you know, it's been like several days, many days I am recording the video in front of the camera. So most of the time I think that I have become familiar to record the video in front of the camera, but very second day or second time, you know, I feel it very tough, very difficult, because sometimes, you know, I don't know how to form the sentences. Sometimes vocabularies slip from my mind, vocabularies, I can say that, escape from my mind. But still guys, I cannot say that I am going to give up, because life is the name of constant struggle guys. I performed the 12-hour duty, and after the duty, you know guys, I was feeling that I am not going to do anything. But still after that I thought that I have to do it, I have to do it for myself. So that's what, you know, I am appearing here front of the camera, because you know, to record the video in front of the camera, this is the only solution guys. If you don't have any partner, you don't have anyone else, just start recording the video in front of the camera. Because you know, I can understand that it is not as easy as I am talking right now, but slowly, gradually, we will be used to it, guys. Because right now our like mind and our mouth muscles are not habitual to speak in this language, but somehow we have tell to our mouth muscles and our mind that this language is your relative, it's familiar to you. So this thing we have to tell our mind and our mouth muscles that we I have to speak in this language, so you have to adopt, you have to practice in this language. So guys, problem has come. Actually our washing machine is broken down, as Shajubai wanted to wash his clothes, but I don't know what's wrong with the washing machine. I think there is something wrong with the door, so we cannot close the door properly. Before, we just used to hear the noise of ticking once we used to close it, but now we cannot hear the same noise. So just because of that, I don't know. Actually, this is not someone's property, so that's what no one is taking care, because this is not our personal, this is free. So that's what everyone is just trying to misuse it. Yajubai, right? Yes. Saju guys, I also agree with me, guys. So guys, I am going to wrap up my video for today. Actually, I am very late. I have to go back on the duty tomorrow. So just because of that, I have to sleep on time so that I can get up, I can wake up early in the morning. For now, guys, I am going to end up here. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.